How to use Lalamove app for pickup. So if you want to use Lalamove app for pickup, then first you need to make sure that install the application and open up your Lalamove application. Once you open, tap on get started, and here you just need to go and skip this part which is on the upper right, and from here you need to pick up your location. So tap on pick up location, and then you need to pick up your location in which you are right now, and then you need to enter your drop off location. So enter the two locations, and once you enter your two locations, then you just need to go for vehicles and you need to choose a vehicle. So for example, I'll be choosing van. Once you've choose here, you will have all of your services, and you can also go for see more, through which you can see the additional services. So you can simply choose anything or any vehicle that you're comfortable with. You can also take the additional services, and once you've entered the address and once you've choose, you just need to tap on next, which will be on the bottom of your screen, and you will have all of the amount right there on the bottom, and you can book that. So that's how you can use Lalamove app for pickup, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.